We believe that food is essential for everyone, and a lack of nutritious food not only harms health, but deeply wounds people's fundamental dignity. Caritas advocates for the right to food, where everyone receives nutrition and adequate food. In Caritas, we believe that if we saw people hungry, and we do not respond to them, it seems that we kill them. Caritas is dedicated in addressing both the crime of the earth and crime of the poor. We believe in the potential of all people to flourish. Food security is also felt in areas where there are political conflicts, like in Venezuela, where people are suffering malnutrition. In Bangladesh, where the Rohingya people live in refugee camp for 11 years already. Another thematic program of Caritas is to deliver healthcare to people who need in both emergency and day-to-day situation. Caritas groups build the capacities of local communities to prevent the onset of illness and provide medicines and other life-saving supplies for treatment. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Caritas was at the forefront of remote communities, giving information and doing preventive programs in those communities. Today, Caritas is facing challenging situation in Gaza, and Caritas struggle to aid the most vulnerable. Another thematic program, and which is very near to us, is migration and human trafficking. Caritas recognizes the strong spirit of people who want to build better lives for themselves and their families. Caritas believes in a positive view of migration, right migration. Migrants should be welcome as they bring many benefits to their host countries, not just those who are left behind. People like us have always moved away from their homes to find work or to escape war, natural disaster, poverty, persecution, and inequality and hunger. In terms of development, Caritas takes integral approach in its development work, aiming to combat poverty and to support people who are excluded and to care for our common home. Caritas development means building a world in which we all live without fear of hunger and injustice, peacefully coexisting, providing for ourselves and protecting our planet. We focus on the root cause and multiple effects of poverty and on bringing the empowered voices of communities into the political process. Caritas engages with policy-making bodies and participate in the global platform like the United Nations to bring the voice of the people and their concern. So here in Taiwan, I want to share with you what do we do in Caritas Taiwan. One of the services that we do is for the migrants. For more than 30 years, since the migrant arrived in Taiwan, Caritas was the first one to respond to their problems. So until now, we do casework where the migrants are. We also have visits to the detention center. We do labor counseling by phone, or now we do it in social media and also in-person visit to communities, where we give information and education. And like Caritas Internationalis, we also into lobbying advocacy to protect the rights of the migrants. Also, we have services to the Chinese schools in northern Thailand. We have been doing this for almost 40 years now. How is this so? In northern Thailand, there is the borders from China to northern Thailand, where many Chinese people cross the border and settled nearby. So, to help them preserve the Chinese culture, Caritas have been there sending teacher volunteers and student volunteers to give teachers training and other training like on mathematics, computer, arts, and etc. We also have generous people who help the schools there subsidize the teacher's salary and the students' tuition fees.